Hi lovelies, today's another day for styling my 1-year-old's natural hair. Hold on, can you see Adele's hair? It's growing so fast. About a year ago, I jokingly made a video in which I made a wig for her and it went viral, especially on TikTok and Instagram. It got some few negative comments. Some people were like, why would you make a wig for your child? She's too small, blah 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 and all that. The video was just for fun anyways. She wasn't really gonna wear the wig. You know how children are, they will fling it. I knew what I was doing. I didn't want to stress her scalp. She was too small for me to start picking and packing her hair. I didn't want her to develop any phobia for hairstyling. As you can see now, she can see through any hairstyle without stress, without crying. Her hair is growing very fast. Kudos to mommy. Give me a thumbs up, like it's not easy. I'm currently working on her edges. Just give me 6 months, you'll see the difference. I envy Adele's hair. Her natural hair is so soft. It's giving me the vibes of trimming my hair and going full natural. I'm currently half natural. Let me know what you think about that in the comments. As you must have noticed earlier, I currently use home remedies that contain cloves and coconut oil mainly, and the results are mind-blowing. Her hair is so healthy. In fact, you can even comb it without her crying. You can comb and style anyhow you want it. I'm going to share some steps in preparing some home remedies for hair growth. If you've not followed, make sure to follow so you won't miss out. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Today's hairstyle is very simple and straightforward. We are just going to style using hair wax and pack to form a ponytail. Alright, it's time for us to accessorize the hair, like making it look like a princess she is. Ewo mommy, oh my goodness, are you seeing the hair? Like, she's really looking like a princess. She is Princess Adele. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. Love you. Mwah.